Namaskar. Hello. I'm Ritesh Agarwal, founder and CEO of OYO, and I was just personally visiting one of OYO hotels in order to ensure that each part of the experience is sanitized. As you saw in our hotels, we have ensured social distancing is mandatory by means of the circles across each part of our hotels. We have ensured that right at the check-in, keys are not given by hands, sanitizers are mandatory, digital payment methods are encouraged, ID cards are shared by means of digital procedures. Ensuring each part of the touch experience, right from the staircases, the rooms, handles, each one of them are sanitized and by teams who are wearing gloves and masks at each part of the whole experience. As countries across the world slowly but steadily open up and business and personal travel resumes, I want to share each one of the Oyopreneurs and the staff at our hotels, as well as our Oyo partners, are fully prepared to ensure that we welcome you, of course, with a smile, but a smile behind the mask. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity and listening to us.